Hi, my name's John Harris and I'm the Estates Manager here at Lingfield Park Racecourse. My first experience with Avant was through a contractor a few years ago that came to clear some scrubland. Other than that, I didn't know anything about Avant until we won the award. Quite surprisingly, we're awarded the use of an Avant for 6 months. The category that we won was the Professional Horse Racing Grounds Team of the Year. After using the Avant for 6 months now, I've got a very high opinion on the machine and what it can do, especially with the unbelievable number of attachments that are available for it. It's an absolute fantastic machine and pretty much can do everything you need it to do. Here at Lingfield Park, because we are such a diverse business with such a large site, the Avant to me is perfect for the business that we run here, for all the various tasks that we have to do. And I think along with that, I think anybody who is managing an estate would find this very beneficial. What it does, instead of having to buy various different machines to do all the jobs you need to do, you've got one machine with various attachments. It takes up less space. Changing attachments over is very, very quick and easy. You're talking in a matter of minutes to change things over on the Avant, so you're straight back out and carrying on with a new job in a short space of time. The Avant's been really popular within the team, and I think it comes down to the fact that it's actually quite an exciting machine. When you look at all the different attachments you can use, the guys actually want to take it out. They want to do these jobs. It's fun to use it. It's a great machine, and you know, there's been absolutely nothing negative said about it by anybody in the team. To everybody at Avant, thank you so much for this wonderful prize that you awarded us. We've loved having it every single minute that it's been here, and we do look forward to our first purchase in the years to come.